Initially, in the beginning of its history, modern Christianity was launched by Inanna Maria and Shamash Jesus. In between of them was Hallel or Enki. The proof is a sketch drawn by Agostino Veneziano. The number 1502-1520 was hidden in the sketch. Number 15 is a sacred number of Inanna Maria. 02 or 20 is a sacred number of Utu Shamash. In ancient Hebrew, you can read from both ways. Then, the two people depicted in the Agostino Veneziano's painting are Inanna Maria and Shamash Jesus. Also, what is drawn in the center looks like a dragon god, but it is not clear. Now, IHS is the acronym for the three gods Inanna, Hallel, and Shamash. That's why most of Roman Catholic popes write IHS in their coat of arms. The current Roman Catholic coat of arms is a combination of the Venus, or the coat of arms of Inanna Maria, and the Sun, or the coat of arms of Shamash Jesus. But the tragedy is that Enki was murdered by Enlil and his son Nergal. The proof is a statue of Mitra. Enlil stabbed Enki bull with a dagger on which you can see the face of Enlil, and then Nergal attacked Enki with his three pets of a scorpion, a snake, and a dog. The statue of Mitra is not that Mitra is killing the bull, but that Mitra is trying to pull out a dagger from the bull to rescue and save the life of the bull, Enki. Meanwhile, Shamash Jesus fell in love with Lazarus' sister, Maria of